Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining. In today's video, I'm sharing some of the most easy, crazy DIY ideas. So I'm starting with my soap dispenser set in my kitchen. As you can see, it got all stained and dirty during the transit. And I almost started doing it, then I realized I should share it with you. I used a coat of acrylic paint and this spray paint by Asian Paints to give the final shiny finish coat on these dispenser and the tissue box. They were all clean white and now they turned into beautiful black. I'm using air dry clay for my next project, and I'm using it of Hobbycraft, and I'll leave the exact link in the description box in case you're interested in buying that. Super easy to use, but you need a little bit of practice to do this and exact techniques. It was my first time using air dry clay and I couldn't stop myself. Craft after the craft until I was able to finish the entire packet. I was only then happy. So the first project that I'm doing here is making some name tags. As you can see, Ishi was also very eager to help me out. So I made an impression with this bottle of paint. You can use any kind of a cutter or any small bowl with sharp edges or something to give you an exact circle. Once you have this exact circle, I used a toothpick to create a small little hole and smooth out all the rough edges with little bit of water. Now, working with clay is an art of patience. You have to keep on doing it and have really a fun time. We use the same toothpick to engrave our names. It's not the perfect one, to be honest. This was the first one we did and it's not perfect at all, but kind of we love it. The handmade organic look and feel of it. We did eventually paint it black and now we are planning to do some gold detailing on it. I'll leave the exact picture of it on Instagram handle, which tells me that you should follow me on Instagram at Simply Amazing Life by Kaushiki. I'll leave the handle in the description box for you to follow. Now this faux oil dispenser or a vinegar dispenser I created out of a wine bottle. Now this turned out the best project so far and I'm so much in love with it. I'm planning to style it for my dining table decor, and I saw this on various sites and I'll share some pictures of it, my inspiration picture somewhere on the screen. And I couldn't find it anywhere, and even if I found few of the places, they were super expensive for a ceramic bottle, I felt. And though it's not, again, as I said, this is the first time I was working with air dry clay. It is not perfect and smooth, but once we painted it black, it turned out really beautiful. Initially I just added a small spout, but then I felt it needed a small little handle, so I added a handle. Then I felt no, it also needs a little small lid on top, so later on I added a lid on top, and the final result was just very pretty. I was super happy with it. So I went with black again because the color scheme that I'm thinking for this December January time is going to be very misty, foresty kind of, evergreen forest, dark greens, absolutely deep hues. So that is the reason we are painting most of the things black, and you will be seeing in my upcoming haul video that I have picked up things which are very dark and deep in colors. So that is the primary reason for doing that. Painting on clay was super easy. It didn't smear or anything. It was super easy. Similarly, I had these plastic pipes with me. I covered it with clay, created these small little cone shapes, and with the help of clay, I stuck everything together. So 3 individual pieces, then we will stick together one by one. So this was the most time consuming process. To be honest, you have to leave each and every part to dry. I can't wait to style these around my house. So do subscribe to the channel, and see you next time in my next video.